The use of metallic clamps on non-metallic sheath cable, also known as NM cable, is raising concerns due to instances where the cable has faulted even under minimal pressure. This issue is significant because improper clamping can lead to electrical hazards, including fires and shocks. Traditionally, metallic clamps have been used to secure NM cable. However, plastic push-in clamps have gained popularity recently because they are easier to use and pose a decreased risk of cable damage. Plastic clamps are typically designed to grip the cable without exerting significant pressure. The risk of cable faulting when using metallic clamps stems from several factors. Firstly, excessive pressure. Metallic clamps can exert too much pressure on the cable, potentially crushing its conductors or damaging its insulation. Secondly, corrosion. Metallic clamps can corrode over time, weakening their grip and potentially exposing live conductors. Thirdly, loose connections. Metallic clamps can become loose due to vibration or other factors, allowing the cable to move and potentially cause a fault. Given these concerns, it's generally recommended to use plastic push-in clamps whenever possible for NM cable installations. These clamps are less likely to damage the cable, they reduce the risk of corrosion, and they maintain a secure connection. For further information on the proper installation and use of NM cable clamps, refer to resources such as the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 334.30, the Underwriters Laboratory Safety Standard for Non-Metallic Sheet Cable, UL 797, and the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers Electrical Code Handbook. When working with electrical systems and NM cable, understanding the proper techniques and materials is crucial for ensuring safety and preventing electrical hazards. The choice between metallic and plastic clamps is one such consideration, where the potential risks associated with metallic clamps often make plastic push-in clamps the preferred option. This is because of factors such as pressure, corrosion, and loose connections. Let's delve deeper into the reasons behind these recommendations and explore the relevant sections of the National Electrical Code that guide safe NM cable installations. Metallic clamps, while traditionally used, present several challenges. The primary concern is the potential for excessive pressure on the NM cable. NM cable consists of insulated conductors encased in a non-metallic sheath. When a metallic clamp is tightened too much, it can compress the cable, potentially damaging the insulation of the conductors inside. This damage can lead to short circuits, ground faults, and ultimately, electrical fires. The force exerted by metallic clamps is not always uniform, and variations in tightening can create stress points on the cable. In contrast, plastic push-in clamps are designed to distribute pressure more evenly across the cable's surface. They typically have a wider gripping area and are made of materials that provide a more forgiving hold. This design minimizes the risk of crushing or damaging the conductors within the NM cable. Another factor to consider is corrosion. Metallic clamps, especially in damp or corrosive environments, are prone to rust and corrosion. This corrosion can weaken the clamp's grip on the cable, leading to loose connections. Additionally, corroded metal can create a pathway for electrical current, increasing the risk of ground faults. Plastic clamps, being non-metallic, are inherently resistant to corrosion. They maintain their integrity and grip over time, even in harsh environments. This corrosion resistance contributes to a more reliable and safer electrical installation. Loose connections are a significant concern in electrical systems. When connections are not secure, they can create resistance, leading to heat buildup. This heat can damage the cable, the clamp, and surrounding materials, increasing the risk of fire. Metallic clamps, if not properly installed or if they become loose due to vibration or thermal expansion and contraction, can compromise the connection. Plastic push-in clamps, when correctly installed, provide a secure and stable connection. Their design often includes features that prevent loosening, such as bobs or locking mechanisms. These features ensure that the cable remains firmly in place, reducing the risk of loose connections and related hazards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including the use of NM cable and clamps. Section 334.30 specifically addresses securing and supporting NM cable. This section outlines the requirements for how an end cable must be fastened to boxes, cabinets, and other structures. It specifies the intervals at which the cable must be supported and the types of supports that are permitted. While the NEC does not explicitly prohibit the use of metallic clamps, it emphasizes the importance of securing the cable in a manner that does not damage it. This implicitly favors the use of plastic push-in clamps, as they are less likely to cause damage compared to metallic clamps. The NEC also addresses the issue of corrosion in section 300.6, which requires that electrical equipment and enclosures be protected from corrosion. This requirement further supports the use of plastic clamps in environments where corrosion is a concern. In addition to the NEC, Underwriters Laboratories, ORL, provides safety standards for electrical products, including NM cable and clamps. UL 797 is the standard for non-metallic sheath cable. These standards ensure that electrical products meet certain safety requirements and are suitable for their intended use. When selecting NM cable and clamps, it is important to choose products that are UL listed. This listing indicates that the products have been tested and certified to meet UL safety standards. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, or IBU, also offers valuable resources for electricians, including the Electrical Code Handbook. This handbook provides interpretations and explanations of the NEC, making it easier for electricians to understand and apply the code's requirements. The IBU's expertise and training programs promote safe and professional electrical installations. When working with NM cable and clamps, it is essential to follow best practices for installation. This includes using the correct size and type of clamp for the cable, tightening the clamp to the appropriate torque, and ensuring that the cable is properly supported. It is also important to inspect the clamps regularly for signs of corrosion or damage. If any issues are found, the clamps should be replaced immediately. In summary, the choice between metallic and plastic clamps for NM cable installations is a critical decision that can impact the safety and reliability of an electrical system. While metallic clamps have been traditionally used, the potential risks associated with them, such as excessive pressure, corrosion, and loose connections, often make plastic push-in clamps the preferred option. By understanding these risks and following the guidelines outlined in the National Electrical Code, Underwriters Laboratory Standards, and the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers resources, electricians can ensure safe and professional NM cable installations. To reinforce the importance of these considerations, let's examine specific scenarios where the choice of clamp can significantly impact the outcome of an electrical installation. Consider a residential wiring project where an NM cable is run through a damp basement. In this environment, metallic clamps are highly susceptible to corrosion. Over time, the corrosion can weaken the clamps, causing them to loosen and potentially damage the cable. This can create a hazardous situation, especially if the cable is located in an area where it is likely to be touched or disturbed. In contrast, plastic push-in clamps would be a more suitable choice for this application. Their resistance to corrosion ensures that they maintain a secure grip on the cable, even in the damp basement environment. This reduces the risk of loose connections and potential electrical hazards. Another scenario involves wiring in a commercial building where the NM cable is subject to vibration from machinery or equipment. In this case, metallic clamps may loosen over time due to the constant vibration. This can lead to intermittent electrical problems and potentially create a fire hazard. Plastic push-in clamps, with their locking mechanisms and secure grip, are less likely to loosen in this environment. They provide a more stable and reliable connection, even in the presence of vibration. Furthermore, consider an electrical installation in a confined space, such as an attic or crawl space. In these areas, it can be difficult to access and tighten metallic clamps properly. Over-tightening the clamps can damage the cable, while under-tightening can lead to loose connections. Plastic push-in clamps are easier to install in these situations, as they require less torque and provide a more consistent grip. This reduces the risk of damaging the cable or creating loose connections. In addition to these practical considerations, it is important to remember that electrical codes and standards are constantly evolving to reflect new technologies and best practices. It is essential for electricians to stay up to date on the latest requirements and recommendations to ensure that their work is safe and compliant. This includes attending training courses, reading industry publications, and participating in professional organizations. By staying informed and following best practices, electricians can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and ensure the safety of their clients and the public. To further illustrate the importance of proper NM cable installation, let's consider the potential consequences of a poorly executed wiring job. Imagine a scenario where an electrician uses metallic clamps to secure NM cable in a residential building. The clamps are over-tightened, causing damage to the insulation of the conductors inside the cable. Over time, the damaged insulation deteriorates, creating a short circuit. The short circuit generates heat, which ignites nearby flammable materials such as wood framing or insulation. The resulting fire spreads quickly, causing significant damage to the building and potentially endangering the lives of its occupants. This scenario highlights the importance of using the correct type of clamp and tightening it to the appropriate torque. It also underscores the need for regular inspections of electrical systems to identify and correct any potential problems before they escalate into more serious hazards. In contrast, a properly executed NM cable installation using plastic pushing clamps can provide years of reliable and safe service. The clamps maintain a secure grip on the cable, preventing loose connections and minimizing the risk of damage. The electrical system operates efficiently and safely, providing power to the building's occupants without incident. To summarize, the choice between metallic and plastic clamps for NM cable installations is a critical decision that can have significant consequences. While metallic clamps have been traditionally used, the potential risks associated with them, such as excessive pressure, corrosion, and loose connections, often make plastic pushing clamps the preferred option. By understanding these risks, following the guidelines outlined in the National Electrical Code, and adhering to best practices for installation, electricians can ensure safe and reliable electrical systems. Furthermore, it is essential for electricians to stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and technologies to maintain their expertise and provide the highest level of service to their clients. By prioritizing safety and professionalism, electricians can contribute to the well-being of their communities and help prevent electrical hazards. Now, let's discuss some advanced techniques for NM cable installation that can further enhance the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Firstly, when running NM cable through walls or ceilings, it is important to protect the cable from physical damage. This can be achieved by using conduit or protective sleeves to encase the cable in areas where it is exposed to potential hazards such as nails, screws, or other sharp objects. Secondly, when splicing NM cable, it is essential to use approved connectors and follow proper splicing techniques. Improper splicing can lead to loose connections, which can cause heat buildup and potentially create a fire hazard. Thirdly, when running NM cable in parallel with other cables, it is important to maintain adequate spacing between the cables to prevent overheating. The NEC provides guidelines for spacing requirements based on the size and type of cable. Fourthly, when terminating NM cable at electrical boxes or panels, it is essential to use the correct type of connectors and ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause arcing, which can damage the equipment and potentially start a fire. Fifthly, when working with NM cable in damp or wet locations, it is important to use moisture-resistant cable and fittings. This will help to prevent corrosion and ensure the integrity of the electrical system. Sixthly, when installing NM cable in areas where it is exposed to sunlight, it is important to use sunlight-resistant cable. Sunlight can degrade the insulation of standard NM cable over time, leading to premature failure. Seventhly, when working with NM cable in areas where it is exposed to extreme temperatures, it is important to use cable that is rated for those temperatures. Extreme temperatures can affect the performance and lifespan of the cable. Eighthly, when installing NM cable in areas where it is subject to vibration, it is important to use cable that is designed to withstand vibration. Vibration can cause the cable to loosen or break over time. Ninthly, when working with NM cable in areas where it is exposed to chemicals, it is important to use cable that is resistant to those chemicals. Chemicals can degrade the insulation of standard NM cable over time, leading to premature failure. Tenthly, when installing NM cable in areas where it is exposed to rodents, it is important to use cable that is rodent resistant. Rodents can chew through the insulation of standard NM cable, creating a shock hazard. By following these advanced techniques, electricians can further enhance the safety and reliability of NM cable installations. These techniques address specific challenges and ensure that the electrical system is protected from a wide range of potential hazards. In conclusion, the proper installation of NM cable is a critical aspect of electrical work that requires careful attention to detail and adherence to best practices. The choice between metallic and plastic clamps is just one of many considerations that electricians must take into account when designing and installing electrical systems. By understanding the risks associated with metallic clamps, following the guidelines outlined in the National Electrical Code, and employing advanced installation techniques, electricians can ensure safe, reliable, and compliant electrical systems that protect the well-being of their clients and the public.